Take a ride in the 2016 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, compass, power windows, trip computer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
All Chrysler Group Certified Pre-Owned vehicles pass a stringent process guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group Certified Pre-Owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance.